Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to update interests on TikTok. Sometimes the TikTok recommendations on your For You page aren't as on the point as you would like to be. If you're sick of skipping to the next video to see one you like, there's actually something you can do about it. You can simply change your TikTok interest with the tap of your button, but you can customize your For You page to see more of the content that you like. If your TikTok fan page needs to a total refresh, here's how you can update it according to your interest. When you first sign up for a TikTok account, the app promoted you to select interest to help customize your feed. There's no direct way to change your interest on TikTok after that, but you can still adjust what you do on your following TikTok tips on customizing your For You page. Scroll and find out a video that you don't like, then for example this one, and then long press on the post until you see an options menu come up. Go on the share options, for example here, and scroll, and now as you can see the second option is not interested. Go and click on that. After that you can keep repeating it for, if you like, 4 times. For example, also for this video, go again and go not interested. Now scroll down, go on this, go not interested, go on this again and go not interested. And now guys, as you can see, you have read many times. And now, in addition to hide posts you don't like, make sure that you hit follow, like, share or comment on posts that you like. Finally, now you can also search for specific posts that you would like to see, and the system will start picking up on your interest. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.